Hi, this is Olga from My Crochet Space, and today I would like to show you how to make those cute little flowers. I will be using acrylic yarn 8 ply and a 4mm hook. And so let's start. Let's start with a slip knot and then we chain 5. And 5. So we have 5 chains here, and we connect with a slip stitch to form a circle. And now we will be working the petals, flower petals, into that ring, into the center of that ring. Chain 3. And then we work a puff stitch, yarn over, and insert your hook into the center of that ring and yarn over again and pull up a long loop. So it has to be the same height as your 3 chains. Yarn over again and hold on to those loops with your finger and pull up a long loop again. So that's second time, and the third time yarn over and pull up a long loop again. And we're going to do that 7 times in total, so that's 3. Yarn over and pull up a loop, that's 4. Yarn over, pull up a long loop, that's 5. And hold on to those loops with your finger, that's 6. And last time, that's our 7 puff stitch loops. And then yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1 to finalize the puff stitch. And now chain 3 again and join into the center with a slip stitch. And that's 1 petal done. Let's start with the second one. Chain 3. Now we work another puff stitch. Yarn over and pull up a long loop. And repeat that 7 times. So every puff stitch is 7 times yarn over and pull up a loop. And then you finalize the puff stitch with the chain 1 at the end. So that should be 5 and 6 and the last one 7. And again yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1 to finalize. Chain 3 again and connect to the circle with a slip stitch. And now we've got 2 petals. And so continue this way until you get 5 petals, until you finish with the last one. And I'll see you then to show you how to finish up. So here I'm finishing the last petal and then chain 1 just to secure the stitch, the last stitch, and you can cut the yarn. I cut the yarn really close to the flower because I don't really need a long tail, and then you can just weave in the ends. Cut the rest of the yarn and we have a flower. If you would like written instructions on how to make those flowers, I have all the details on my website, mycrochetspace.com. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video and if you found it easy to make those little crochet flowers. And thank you for watching. See you next time.